These are the rear seats for a Jaguar S-Type 420 model. These are actually the original seats out the car of a customer of ours who wants us to completely redo them for them. But these are the original ones, straight from the Jaguar factory. So this is what I would call French blue colour. They are the original style spec, so they are the narrow pleats, obviously, for the S-Type 420s. They never had wider pleats on that car, but some of them did have an embossed pattern on them. We can replicate that if you so choose. Check our website for details. They are leather faced seats, so often referred to as leather seats, but actually there are elements that are not leather. The general principle being that anything that touches your body as you're sat in it is leather, and the backs and surrounds, the bits that are out the way, are vinyl or leathercloth, vinide, whatever you want to call it, from when they used it back in the day. So you've got the cushion here. Leather, 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 leather. These side bits here are leather. Around here as well. But then these bits around here are vinyl. Actually, sorry, strictly speaking, that's leather there, but that's definitely a vinyl. You can see from the backing material, it's always the giveaway on these materials here. Obviously, leather is completely natural, whereas vinyl is completely man-made synthetic material. That being said, they're clipped on, so I can't actually get to it. The retainer here is a cheap sort of nylon material. We always do that in a moquette material, which is much nicer, higher quality. So we would replicate this. I think the customer is changing colour completely on the car, but effectively we will replicate all of this. But we like to think that we actually make them nicer than they did originally, although not an apples for apples comparison, because this is 50 years old, so would be harsh to do so. At the back there, you've obviously got the backrest element, including the armrest, which pulls out there. So on this here, you've got sort of mainly leather, including the tab there, but then this bit here is a vinyl material. You can tell actually from the different graining and almost slightly different shading. That's obviously probably got a lot less exposure to the sun, so it's probably more realistic of the original colour. But all of these bits here are leather, and then the surrounds around there are going to be vinyl. So check back for the results of us retrimming them.